Today, I'm gonna show you how to make professional looking Instagram Reels just like this using easy to edit online templates. In fact, there's a handful of different templates that you can use. You can drag and drop images of your own listings, and videos like this make an excellent add value to your clients. Let's go over to the computer and get started. I'm Owen Video. The website is called InVideo, and I put all the links in the description box for you. Now, InVideo has thousands of pre-made video templates for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. But they also have templates that you can use for video ads, for logo bumpers, and a ton of great other stuff. Now, most videos on InVideo can be repurposed in either a widescreen, a square, or a vertical dimension. We want to make an Instagram Reel, so we're going to want to click on vertical, and then you can see all the different Instagram Reels templates that this site has to offer. And you can sort of scroll over them and the video will start to play, but you can see that there are a variety of templates in a variety of different industries. So since today's video, we're gonna be using the example of real estate, what I wanna do is go in here and actually type real estate into the search bar, and immediately a whole bunch of real estate templates pop up that you can use for a variety of reasons. Here's one that you might really like. So simply hover over it, and you can watch the Instagram Reel template start to play. Now, you can also click on it. That's so funny, she looks just like my cousin. But you can click on it. I wonder if that is my cousin. You can click on this and play it down here. Notice that there is music in the background. So what you're gonna wanna do is pick a couple of the templates that you'll save as favorites, and then pick one that you wanna edit right now. I've picked one already, and I'm gonna show you how simple editing these templates is, and it's really ridiculous. It makes me wonder why I spent so many years in film school. This is the Instagram Reels template that I want to edit here today. We can see that the Instagram Reels template is actually broken down into 5 individual scenes, or slides. Each slide has its own layers, which we can see over here on the right-hand side. So we can see, with a neutral color scheme is going to be this text down here. Carry the cozy vibe is going to be this over here, and all we have to do is click on the layers to edit them. And then on the left-hand side, far left over here, you can see that we have our toolbox, and this is where we're gonna grab new images, we're gonna change the text and add our logo and do any of that sort of fun stuff. So you've got the timeline, you've got the layers, and then you've got your toolbox over here on the left-hand side. Let's start by editing the first slide, the first scene of our Instagram Reels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm first gonna add my company name, which is Belvedere Realty. Not really, but my favorite TV show as a kid was Mr. Belvedere, and so I thought that this would be a funny name for our video here. So I'm gonna change this text to say from Belvedere Realty. And notice how I kind of fell into that second line there. All I have to do is sort of extend this blue line a little bit, and there we go. Now I'm gonna change touch of boho to say our newest property. And we can see that the text there is a little bit big, so I'm simply gonna highlight it and then come over here to the font size where I can shrink the font up. Let's say 160. That's nice. And I'll just kind of move it up here a little bit. Now I'm gonna change this text right here, and you can go ahead and do that with all the text so that it reflects what you want it to say. Now let me show you how to drag and drop your own images into the Instagram Reel. Now this part is really easy if you know where to look. Over here in the layers section, you're gonna wanna find the image which is on a mask. A mask means a shape. It makes an image look a certain way. In this case, it's sort of the ovally, sort of tilted look here. So we'll click on the mask and hover over it so that the blue box appears. Now what you want to do is go over into the upload section on the left-hand side and upload your own images of a house that you want to use. I uploaded images of a house that we have in our neighborhood that's for sale, and I used some of those images. You'll drag and drop the image over the area where the blue box appears, and you want this box to come up where it says, do you want me to replace the image or add it additionally? You're gonna click replace, and voila, your image has been placed inside of this video. It's possible the house won't be perfectly centered in the image. This one's a little bit, too far to the north or whatever. So We're gonna click on that image one more time and click Edit Mask up here. And now I can actually expand and zoom in and move the house around and really get that image that I want to portray in this video. That looks about right, so I'll click the save button down here. And voila, I've got a great looking image all ready to go. You know, you may want to change the text out here to whatever your company name is, but before we move on, we definitely want to upload a logo. Now, if you don't have a logo, then you probably just want to use your Facebook profile pic. Click on the upload logo and instantly your Finder will come up. From there, you can find your logo. And there's my logo right here. And we can move on to the second frame. So now you're gonna just swap out the text in the image here. See how easy that is? Just rinse and repeat. So we'll take this slide and quickly turn it into and you'll repeat that with each slide that you want to add your own creative spin to. But I want you to pay special attention to the last slide in the frame. Here's where I want you to do something very specific for Instagram. So this is where I want you to actually brand yourself. So even though there's a picture of the couch here, what I want you to do is change this to a picture of yourself. We'll click that replace. And boom, now you've got this closing frame that puts your face in front of everybody. Then you're gonna change the text a little bit like this so that when all things are said and done, you'll have a customized Instagram reel that looks something like this. See, look at that transition. It's just beautiful. And you could never do that on your own. It's engaging. Of course, you'll swap out these images. You'll add your own text to it. Look at that. How fun is that? Cool. And then, of course, we've got our big sort of closing slide coming up right now. And yes, ready to sell with the best. Link in bio. I love it. Now, before I wrap up this video, I want you to know you can go extra deep and actually change the color of the transitions. You can change the music. You can add stock video footage. You can even add your own scenes and build them from scratch. Save them as templates and add them and move them. I mean, this is a phenomenal video system, especially for those of us who are entrepreneurs and we don't want to become video editors. So if you want to access some really great templates, then go to the link in the description box below and try this out. Okay, let me show you how to download this and get it on your phone. So the last thing that you're gonna do is click download and share. And then when you do that, you'll be able to pick your default settings, which you can choose. You get 720, which is fine. But when you upgrade, you actually get a higher quality. You'll click the export button there and you're ready to upload it to Instagram. Now, we've got a few more videos that will show you how to use these templates to really make stunning videos on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and the other platforms. Be sure to click on the videos that are on your screen now and keep learning with us. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm Owen Video.